Hey, it's your girl, Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Welcome to Richburg Meadows by Dream Founders Home, a thoughtfully planned community that blends affordability, convenience, and the charm of South Carolina living. Located just minutes from Rock Hill and Chester, Richburg Meadows offers easy access to shopping, dining, and major commuter routes, including quick access to I-77, making travel throughout the Charlotte metro area simple and convenient. Now, as you drive through the community, you will notice the peaceful surroundings, including natural wetlands and scenic ponds designed to create a calm, welcoming atmosphere. Residents can also enjoy planned amenities, including a community pool. Now, one of the standout features in this community is the oversized home sites, with approximately 25 to 35 feet between the homes, giving you more breathing room and privacy, something many buyers are actively looking for. The community features a variety of floor plans to fit different lifestyles, with an HOA of $840 per year, covering the shared amenities and the neighborhood upkeep. Now, today we're going to be touring the Kenzie. The Kenzie starts at $329,900 and offers approximately 1,958 square feet of living space and includes 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. The open concept main level features an island kitchen, casual dining area, and a spacious family room that flows directly to the rear patio. Upstairs, the owner's suite includes a walk-in closet and a spa-inspired bathroom, while additional bedrooms and a loft offers flexible living space for guests, hobbies, or a home office. With hardy board fiber cement exterior, a variety of floor plans to choose from, and a location that balances peaceful living with commuter convenience, Richburg Meadows is a community worth exploring. If you would like more information on available homes, incentives, or whether this community is a good fit for your lifestyle, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.